In this video, I'll be showing you how to use this app called Icon Pack Studio. So I'm going to leave a link to it in the description of this video. If you tap on it, it will take you to the Play Store, so just install it and wait for a few minutes or seconds for the app to get installed based on your internet speed. After installing it, tap Open, and from here you can see that there are a few icon packs that you can try. Some are pro packs, so you have to pay to use them, but a lot of them are also free. So just choose the one that looks good to you. I'll try this one so I don't waste much time in this video. So tap the one you're interested in, then tap download. These are all the ones that I've tried before, so I think this is the one that I just downloaded. So if you keep downloading more, you'll see them here. So you can keep a few ones here so you can switch to them anytime you want. And to apply any of them, just tap apply, enable notifications, go back, then tap apply again, and this should show up. Tap OK. So just wait for a few seconds. It's going to download the app for it's going to create an icon pack app for this one. As you can see, it says your icon pack is ready. You don't need to tap OK, just tap outside this box, then open your file manager. So I use this app called CX File Explorer. There was a knock on the door, so I had to go check it out. But anyways, what you need to do next is open a file manager. I use CX File Explorer. I've made a video about it, so if you want, you can check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Hopefully I remember. Okay, so when you open it, tap downloads. You can use any file manager you have, but just head to your downloads folder and you should see the icon pack that has been created. You can also see it from your notification up here. So tap it to install it. If this shows up, just tap here and tap install anyway. Enter your fingerprint or a password, and now you can see it is done installing. Just tap done and delete this one. You won't need it anymore, because as you create more, you're going to have more APK files and you don't want to fill up your storage with icon pack APK files. So just delete them anytime you create them. Now what you need to do after installing it is apply it using your launcher. So I'm currently using Microsoft Launcher. Well, as long as your launcher supports icon packs, you can apply it. In Microsoft Launcher, I just need to head over to settings, home screen, app, icon appearance, icon pack, and this is it over here, exported icon pack. If I tap it, this is what my apps look like. See, you can see that not all of them are supported, so you may have to try different icon packs to see the ones that work well with your apps.